Hello everyone. So today we are going to see some three similar kind of issues that are power of 2, power of 3, power of 4. So basically these three issues are very easy. Difficulty level is also easy. We just need to apply the same logic by changing the number like whether it is 2 or 3 or 4. That is the only thing. It is very easy. First let's go through the issue. So here they will provide some number and we need to find whether this particular number is power of like is power of 2 or not. So when coming to 1, we know that 2 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. That so this is the power of 2. 16 is also power of 2, but 3 it is not a power of 2. So actually we have all the use cases that required for this issue, and we can directly jump into the solution now. So for these three solutions we are going to follow recursive method. So we are going to call this particular is power of 2 multiple times. Let's see how we are going to do. Okay, so first we need to in recursion we need to find the base conditions. So what I'm thinking is the base condition is if n equals to 1 or n is equals to 2. In this case, like if it is 1 or 2, we can directly return that it is true. Or if n is less than or equals to 0, or n percentile by 2 is equals to 1, then also we can return false. Irrespective of these four conditions, we can just simply return is power of 2 of n by 2. So let's say we are having 16. What I'm going to check is I'm going to check these conditions and I'm passing the half of the 16. That means 16 by 2, that means 8. So let's check if it is working or not. I think we did some typo mistake. Yes, it seems fine. Yes, it's working fine. And done. It's absolutely beating all the it is best solution. And the same thing we can apply for power of 3 and power of 4. Let me go to power of 3 and power of 4 quickly. Okay, now it's time for power of 3. You can see I just pasted the same solution that from our previous issue, previous power of 2 issue. So what we are going to change, we just need to change this 3 and we just need to change this 3. And when coming to n percentile 2, here in 2 we are going to have only two conditions, whether we are going to get 0 or 1 in for any number, but 3 it is different. We are going to get 0, 1 and 2. 0 is also true condition that we can ignore, but if these two conditions meet, that means if n percentile 3 is not equals to 0, okay, then we can return false. Let's submit it. We just need to modify this function. Done. It's going to work the same. Now let's see the issue. Power of 4. Same thing. We are going to use the same solution. Let me go to power of 4. Yes, we are at power of 4. So let me use the same thing that we have used for power of 2. Okay, what we are going to change, we need to change just 4. And it should not equals to 0. And n by 4. That's it. Nothing changes. I'm going to submit it directly. Okay, it is going to throw some error. Why? Because we are calling wrong method. Submit. Submit. Done. So that's it about today's session. So today we covered three similar questions. We can have same, we can have literally same solution for these three easy problems from recursion. Thanks everyone.